Hey, what's up guys? I got a few requests for a video tutorial breaking down my quick tip for content expansion using Frase and Nichesss blog post intro template. There are some questions about where the headlines are coming from, where I was pasting them into Nichesss, so I created a step-by-step guide using paid tools like SEMrush and Ahrefs to get the keyword, Frase for some content optimization, and just in case you don't have either of those tools, I outlined some free ones here. So let's start from the top. We're going to start with finding a target keyword. Come over to SEMrush, Keyword Magic Tool, start with a seed keyword, go to questions, and start with the first one here. How much does gutter cleaning cost? I'm going to copy this, come over to Frase, and I'm going to create a new document. You can paste it right here into the search query, create, and then we're going to come over here and see what we got. So we have some top results in the overview tab, and you can see we have Angie's List. Here are our headers. So these are the things we're going to be pasting into Nichesss. So let's first start with our initial query. Come over here, blogs, intro. You can just fill these out. Paste our query, paste our query, generate. So we'll give that a minute to generate the plan. And it looks like it's all set. Reload, view, and we have our first two pieces of content. So now what we're going to do, let's go back into Frase. We're going to look for some more headlines we can throw in here. Copy that. Come to Nichesss, click Add More, Intro, replace the query, give that a minute to generate. While we wait, we can come back to Frase, copy another one. Looks like we're all set. And now we have two more. Now I could keep doing this here, generate all our pieces of content with the headlines. And what you want to do is take the headline and the content, take it into Frase, come over to My Content, paste everything in, and then you're going to start optimizing using the topic scores. You can do your topics, clusters, and follow the percentage right here. Now let's say you didn't have Frase or any of the keyword research tools like Ahrefs. So we can come over here to the free guide, and you got some options here: LSI Graph, Wordtracker, Google's Keyword Planner, Answer the Public. Another good one is the Keyword Surfer extension, plus just using a Google search. So you can come over to the extension, download this, come over to Google, type in your seed keyword. Let's add a modifier, question, like how. And the extension is going to give you some volume here. So I'll take your keyword. And now, how do we get the headlines? Well, we can come over to one like this, Home Advisor, it's the top. Come over to the page. And there's another good extension, SEO Quake. It's free. You can click on that. Go to page info. Take a look at the keyword density. Look at your total number of words. This will help break down your clusters. Come to diagnosis. And this will give you your headings. Drop this down. Now you can just start copying and pasting these right into Nichesss, same way I did at the beginning of the tutorial. So I hope that helps, clears up any questions, and let me know if you have more. All right, thanks.